evening and welcome on Top the Night Show. My name is Nanedu _ me and our caretaker Bikin, Easy Pete, aka Awilo Logumba, aka Cisco, aka coming through.
AKA Falipupa, you know?
AKA Falipupa, aka Papa Wemba, aka Tony Tatula. Only see your leg complete. Welcome on Top of the Night Show. Anyway, today on Top of the Night Show, we get one guest. This one, I don't know whether I will call him Tomato Juice or not, because she's not yellow. Now, I guess we're yellow, and then they call Tomato Juice. This one, I'm not dry yam. I will call him dry yam. Dry yam or dry potato?
Before you talk, confirm.
I will confirm. I'll confirm when I dry yam or dry potato. But anyway, make una not vex, I beg. Make una not vex. Today, Pasanya is supposed to come today. Will be Wednesday. But when I not vex, Pasanya is not fit day today. They do some kind things when they be say make am not fit come today. I know so I go dey wait make Pasanya appear. But when I not vex now, another guest now will get. Her name na CHIOMA. No be CHIOMA Jesus. No be down where they shout Jesus. No, this one na CHIOMA. She's slim. Well. Yeah, if you see her. Hello, I'm better one, Yoma. Hey, go V, no one. You know that can't get where you go look at that and say, no, you're a 60-foot container on the high sea. Anyway, we'll go back to chicken break. When we come back, we'll go begin talk with CHIOMA on Top of the Night Show. When they come back, no. On Top of the Night Show today. Now, Wednesday, we're going to know say person you're not there around, so therefore we'll get another guest for today. But before we talk to the guest of today, get something when they be say, we've been talking for radio this morning, me and you. Amen. I sure say now how this country don't bad rich, now enter, now cause the thing. Where two housewives, they fight over one single boy. So I tell them, pour themselves hot water. He don't top Linda Ikeji. They everywhere now. Google it now. If they watch me now, Google it. Two housewives fight over a guy. They are lover. Now this one, pour this one water. If you see the water for the chest, yeah. The other one too, pour the other water for chest, yeah. Now the gist will come there, gram. They say one, say she don't marry her before. Say she not get husband again. The other one still the husband house. So I sure say then go there. I can't the reason why then they fight. Now the effectiveness of the guy ministration, I've been at the guy pocket. Now make them they fight. I don't know where. One woman with their husband house, they go fight another woman.
With the husband house.
Woman their husband house, go they fight another woman. Over boy, why never go anywhere? What did the boy get? If people say the boy get money.
Which kind of money be that one? Two of them, the two ladies don't marry.
They two don't marry now.
Which kind of money the boy get?
No, the guy has a can-do spirit.
Maybe.
A can-do attitude. Yeah, when he enters the pitch of play, the guy can run 90 minutes and extra time, he will play the match.
Knockout.
Knockout. They don't give a red card, yellow card. No, the guy, they play like Messi. Is it the combination of Messi and Ronaldo put together? Now the guy, they do. You understand? But before we introduce our guests, I will ask our guests a question first of all. Novice, CHIOMA, welcome to the night show.
Thank you.
You feel fight for man?
No.
You don't feel fight for man?
No. Why?
Why?
I don't see the reason.
Not be it don't get it.
I don't see the reason.
You know to see this girl is speaking English.
Speak English, I don't see the reason.
Yeah, ask me that question. Ask her again. Maybe her.
They do. You feel fight for a woman?
No.
Why?
Like no, I don't see the reason. My sister speak pidgin here. For speak aqua pidgin kind of sweet here. So man, ask you again. You feel fight for man?
No.
This your no, it still be like English.
They drunk,
No.
man.
No, you see this? You see if no, that's
Just
English
no.
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 You feel fight for man?
No.
Yeah, no. So why you not go fit fight for man?
I don't see the reason.
How can I speak English?
If he does not connect with me, there's no need to try to make it work.
You get boyfriend?
No.
No. You get boyfriend, talk now. The easy bit they find babe, talk now. K-Moss they find babe. K-Solo they find babe. Easy beat today. Bash.
Really?
No, Bash cannot work.
Okay.
You feel like Bash now. Well, so you define boyfriend. Do you have a boyfriend or you don't have a boyfriend?
You know, that's my private life.
My man, leave that private life. Who private life help? Leave that thing. Talk. I want to help you now.
You want to help?
I want to help you. You get boyfriend or you not get boyfriend, so that we go give you one now.
Are you serious?
Talk now.
I have no, I don't.
Why you can't look easy bit the talk? I get it now. You know what talk? Well, you can't I am so that when you finish, when I go black for outside, my sister high five. Yeah, I like your way. Your ways are not the ways of men. You walk in a miraculous and marvelous ways. Anyway, welcome to the show, Chioma.
Thank you very much.
How is you?
I'm good.
This is your human hair now. Wow, this one like how much? Like 300,000.
I have no idea what that is.
Yeah, but now your hair be this.
You don't ask a lady that question.
Don't ask a lady that question. Hey, leave that thing, my sister. We know everybody. We know everybody they wear attachment. Human hair, but you see your own fine well. Now make me ask you how much. I feel one buy for myself or buy for my babe.
Yeah.
So how much? If I feel one buy them now for my baby, like how much I feel buy?
I don't know. I don't tell, so I don't tell her.
Anyway, welcome to the night show.
Thank you.
What will be your name?
CHIOMA AKUEZUE.
Chioma, give it. Talk him again.
CHIOMA AKUEZUE.
Chioma, give it.
AKUEZUE.
AKUEZUE.
My sister, where are you from?
I'm from Anambra State.
Chioma AKUEZUE? Anambra State?
Yes.
Where in Anambra?
Newi South.
Newi. My sister, you're from Newi. Anambra.
Yes.
Chioma AKUEZUE. My sister, you go. If you enter motor for this Lagos, I hope say you dey drive.
Yes.
Not use this talk, go there, enter taxi. You know, they go bill you plenty money. Chioma AKUEZUE. That is your name. AKUEZUE from Newi South, autonomous community. That is where you are from. Anyway, you don't talk your name and where you come from.
Yeah.
You be like say you know they live for Nigeria.
No, I don't live here.
Where you they live?
Germany.
Germany. Einstein, Liechtenstein. You understand? I wait to ask you now and I say,
yes.
How far? Einstein, Liechtenstein. I mean,
what
how
language
far?
is that? Heinz what? Einstein.
But wait, I want to ask you something, not vex.
Yeah.
I think say now people where they America,
Yeah.
they speak smash like this.
No, that kind of thing.
Really?
You did Germany now.
Yeah.
Germany not be Einstein. If you dey talk, say, okay, tell me good morning for Germany. Good morning, how are you? How your family? Or good evening, how are you? How your family?
Good Morgen, wie geht's? Wie ist deine Familie?
Because even no nigga wanna because quote that thing again.
Good Morgen.
Good morning.
Yeah, this is good morning.
What thing again?
Wie geht es Ihnen? How are you today?
Oh, forget the sinning.
Wie geht es Ihnen?
Forget es innen.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morgen,
Chioma.
yes.
Good morning, Chioma. Forget es sinnen.
Es geht mir gut, danke.
Do you get a semen?
Es geht mir gut.
Escape me a goat.
Yes.
Escape me a goat. Anyway, but let's say escape goat today for inside the matter.
No, es geht mir gut. I'm doing fine.
Oh, escape me a good.
Yes.
Yeah, escape good. Escape
Not
come my place.
escape. I didn't say escape.
What do you talk?
Es geht mir gut. Es geht mir
Escape
gut.
me a good.
Yeah.
Okay. Escape me a good now. Now, may I ask you, Chioma, welcome to the next show. But before we continue, make we watch one video from Chioma. When we come back, we'll continue to Chioma. At least make we see the music, how she take the, run things on top music. When we come back, we'll begin ask her questions on top of the next show when they come back. Escape me a goat! Escape me a goat!
Oh my God.
I see where you chop that guy lips.
What?
Chop the guy lips.
I wasn't
You
chopping
chop her.
anything.
He wasn't chopping anything.
No.
Yeah. So what do you and the mouth they do when they pray? I mean, as soon as I take this.
They talk.
Okay, they whisper for your mouth.
Yeah.
My mouth, you take the
They
hair.
listen.
They use mouth to hear. They whisper in the mouth. Escape me a good.
Es geht
So
mir
now
gut.
that guy now you take secure permanent stay for Germany. I've been your boyfriend. I've been a video vixen.
Oh my God. No, I've been living there before I met
No,
that.
mind me, I play with you.
Exactly.
Is that boy a video vixen or your boyfriend?
He's a video vixen. He's hot, right? Very sexy.
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
I don't know.
Are you serious?
Now, if a woman now ask me whether he's hot, I say yes, she's hot. I don't work. Now you now go fit talk whether the man hot or. But wait, how you taking to say he's hot? So he put cloth for you.
I don't know that. We just got him to do the video, to be the video vixen, and he looks good.
So after the video, he in Congo house, you said Congo house.
Yes.
Then you no hug or collect number, nothing.
I think in the video we did hug.
No, not before video.
Oh,
after
after.
the video.
No. No.
See.
Caught in the act.
Caught
In the act.
See him. And you not do anything. Me, see, ma tell you something.
I'm
you
a
see,
good girl.
Hey! You know how many people don't talk good girl when we will see what in them do. Rihanna, what is she be? Cynthia Morgan, a good girl.
Okay.
Then we see where she there now. Cause your Jacob is a good girl.
Who is that?
You don't cause your my sister, you don't know cause your Jacob. You're still on a bicycle.
Oh.
You don't know cussing.
No.
You don't know cussing.
No.
Hey! You see, some people are like this. Some are like this.
Okay.
But cussing is like this. Hey! Anyway, I make I ask you, now, when you begin to do music?
Okay, I started singing like long time ago. Like
You know if you speak pidgin?
No.
You know if you speak Igbo? Speak Germany. Speak Germany. When you begin, speak Igbo small. Okay. Can we monitor the name music? Yeah. Go ahead now. Now.
That's too.
Yeah. If I go now. Iguru gala. Yeah. Na yori. Yeah. Can we monitor the Iva name? Now, when did you start this something music now? Yeah. In name.
Since I was a child.
Also, quite English.
Also quite English.
Since you was a pekin, how old was you then?
I think I was 10.
10.
10. I started singing from.
You been there choir?
Yes, in the church.
Now which person for your family the choir will make you start? Because most
Nobody
people
actually. I'm the first one who was in the choir.
in the choir. Now for Nigeria here before for Germany.
No, it was in Abuja because I was born in Sokoto, but I grew up in Abuja.
You were born in Sokoto. So do you speak Hausa?
Kadan kadan.
Kadan. To abin da zaka mun yanzu nan ko? Kina ji na. To wakan nan irin abin da kika yi yanzu nan ko? Your music now.
Yeah.
Kaman yaushe ne kin fara?
You're going too far because I can't speak full.
Which day or which year?
Which year?
Which year or when you start singing? I ask you for Hausa which day. I know it's not supposed to be which day. It's supposed to be which year. When did you start? 10 years old.
Yes.
From Abuja there.
Yes.
Now, may I ask you, Now, what make you begin to sing? Now, say you see person where they sing, you can't like the singing of the person because okay, I must sing. Or they just say, okay, CHIOMA, you get good voice, so can't go join choir, you go feel sing for choir. How it takes start?
How I knew that I could sing was when I listened a lot to Brenda Fassie from South
Brenda
Africa.
Fassie, we don't know.
Yes.
Okay.
She was my first inspiration.
Okay.
I watch a lot of her videos. Like, she's strong, powerful, and I got inspiration from that. And I remember I was like 10, 11, and I started writing poems.
Oh.
Yeah, at that age. And, I was always writing, but at that time, I did not know how to compose, but I had idea
of what you want.
Yes, exactly. And, in this time, I was like, when I grow up, I think I'm going to do some music,
okay.
And I had this book till I was a teenager.
Wow.
And in 2009 was when I decided, to
enter on professionally.
Yeah, I went back to that book. And
that book we
exactly. I always carry that book along. Like, it's so old, like it's full of stuff inside, So I took that book because I'm a good writer.
Okay.
I took some stuff from that book, and I went to the studio to, you know, try to do something.
Okay. From that book where you write since maybe 10 years old.
Exactly.
So the thing where you write for 10 years old, now you still sing.
Yeah, you know, it's funny because, you know, it's like this, you know, you come up with an idea and I put it down because I was a good writer. So
okay, you can't build them.
Yeah, so growing up, you know, once in a while I go back to that same old book, you know, and try to pick out some things, you know, try to develop
you don't talk more than once now, say you be a good writer. Make I ask you, which means, and I don't need to ask you now, say, whether now you write your music, apparently now you write your music.
Definitely.
Now you write music for other people.
Not yet, not yet.
Or you could like to write music for other people.
I will, because, you know, right now I have started now this music thing very professionally. So, yeah, I'm open to writing music for other artists.
Now, for you to write music now, you guys know people where you write music for.
Exactly.
Whether that's for Nigeria or I've been for Germany. Now, which Nigerian artists you know?
The one I'm loving right now that I know is Patoranking.
Patoranking,
Yes.
because of the patois.
No, you know, I love that song, My Woman. That's
My Woman. As I be singer, mo.
I can't.
As I be singer.
Don't sing, because I might fall in love. Because you know.
My woman, my everything, my woman. See, I'm you whining to it. Hey, I can reduce it.
No.
Oh, you don't want me to?
No.
So you know Patoranking? What you know again?
I like Fino. Fino is good.
Fino.
Yeah. Yes.
Who again?
Who else? Maybe I think Davido. Yeah.
Why be now? People they like now those when they be say could just
do what?
Patoranking. If ever na go whiskey. Fino. People where that can do attitude that they like.
They can do what?
Can do. They have a can do attitude.
What is can do?
Oh. If you ask me, who I go ask? Now, now these 3 artists you don't mention.
Yes.
You know female artists within Nigeria.
Not so good. I don't know.
How many of
I've
them
heard
you
of
know?
Yemi Alade from Germany. You know.
Which of them you know again? You know Tinta Morgan.
I heard her name, but I'm not sure.
You don't know who she be.
No.
You know Salawa Benny.
No.
Salawa Benny. Now she the top charts now.
Are you serious? Okay.
Grammy for hip hop, for Afro life, Afrocentric.
Okay.
You should get her album.
I should get her album.
10K must make give you her album. They nominate her for Grammy last year. They nominate her for BET. They nominate her for BET.
Oh, that's good.
She featured Akon. She do one song feature Akon. I think she got song we go soon come outside. Featuring, I don't know whether they don't discuss and finish. She's supposed to feature Beyonce, I've been a Rihanna, I don't know.
Okay.
I've been a Nicki Minaj. I don't know which of them, Sha. But then they still discuss them, Sha. So I know I'm supposed to drop. She said it's supposed to drop before the end of this year.
Oh.
You don't know her.
No, you know, see, like this is the first time I'm coming into Nigeria to promote my
First
my
time,
my
But
music.
you would like to know her work.
I mean, I'm open to working with anyone I feel is good for
I
my
beg,
kind of music.
those of you who know Salawa Benny, I beg. We're gonna reach out to CHIOMA. CHIOMA would like to work with Salawa Benny so that the ministry can move to permanent site here with him. Anyway, we're going to watch chicken break. When we come back, we'll continue it. Still on the nation with the one and only CHIOMA. Hi. What do you mean that you call again?
Escape me a good.
Escape me a good. Escape me a good. When they come back, maybe escape me a good.
Easy. Yeah. Are you ready? If you give your heart to me, I no go let you go. Where I no go do you, basa, baby, trust in me. When you give your heart to me.
When I welcome on Saturday Night Show, we still get CHIOMA for inside the studio. CHIOMA, what be that thing again?
and something mere goat, something.
Escape me a goat. Inside studio. For the night show today. Now, Chama, make I ask you quickly.
Yeah.
Before I forget this question, you said that from church you start for choir. Now, why it be say almost everybody where they start for choir, at a point in time, then they see another light, go come out for choir, go they do secular music. Why you not do gospel music?
Oh, well, that was the first thing I was thinking to do when I was a teenager. I was thinking to go
You
into
think
gospel
but you not do one.
music. But then, you know, growing up, I was like, this is not me.
Oh, this is not me. I want to be like Rihanna. I want to be shaking bum bum in my TV.
Oh. But I wasn't shaking my butt.
My sister,
was
we
just
not see him.
singing.
Now we not see him. Another video, if you get another video where you shake bum bum.
No, I don't shake my butt.
Oh, you don't know how to shake out.
Or you don't want to shake, or you don't know how to shake.
It's not my thing. I can.
But show us. Show us.
Yeah, that's what
Show
you're
us.
heading to.
Show us.
Oh, no.
You know, in Nigeria, you have to shake a bum bum on TV.
Are you serious?
Oh, yeah.
So, all those people, Cynthia Morgan, you know,
They shake butt?
pakam. They used to shake now. Shake your own. Show us you can shake. No, stand up.
I have to stand
up. You have to stand up.
Stand up.
See, I can twerk my own. See. So show us.
I like them. Okay, I'm going to do the same, like.
No. Hey! No. Check now. Easy, give her music. No, check bum bum. Shit, check now. Just one. Hey! You don't blow. See, you will win any award. You don't blow for Nigeria. As far as we are concerned, you has blown, Norma.
Are you serious?
No, for us now, you don't blow.
You have blue.
Very
blow.
good, very good.
You have blow.
So I'm good, right?
You're good. No, you're good.
Thank you. High five.
Now, I see NMV and Nigeria Music Video Award. I'm in charge.
You're in charge. Then I'm good.
Yeah. For this shaking, you shake now. Leave it. Yeah, there. You will win an award. Best video, best bum shaking.
Oh, yes.
You will win it. Man, but before we continue, may I ask you, your family not disturb you say they do music?
When I started, yes, my dad was not having it. It was like, no, you will have to do school. You know, he was like, you should be an accountant or you know how parents are, you know, so. But I was not in a hurry with music, you know. I saw he was not like into it, like, I don't want my kids doing music. But that was years back. And right now, my dad is loving my kind of music. He's so proud of me, like really proud.
In they listen to your music?
Every time.
In the twerk too?
I'm telling you.
You always kidding me.
No, he's my
Your
number
papa
one.
see where you hold that boy mouth, they kiss him.
Yes, but he didn't say nothing.
He didn't say anything?
No.
And why you go talk? Your papa black, Abby?
I was so, yeah, he's black.
No wonder why you go talk anything. Your papa go want get fine children, no? Your papa go talk about.
You know the funny thing, when I did that video, so, you know, I showed it to my family, and I was so nervous. I was like, what's my dad gonna say? Oh God, I was like, you know, they were watching it, I was this way, you know, like, I could not look at them. Because my dad is like, you know, he's a church person.
Oh, you're not a church person, you're a pastor?
No. But he's a strong Catholic.
Okay.
He's a strong Catholic.
So when that guy hold your mouth like this, when they whisper to your mouth, your partner talk anything, you're not shout Jesus.
He just smiled. He just
So
gave me.
maybe for your next video now, you come move and go front. Where the guy,
Yeah,
go?
that's like an introduction. So maybe next time.
Oh,
we'll
so
do a
you
little
get
bit-
this, man! My sister! So what will happen? Let me be in your video now.
You wanna be?
My sister, I can do things, so yeah, I will backflip.
Backflip.
Okay, what are you planning to do in your next video?
You know, I don't
Will you
spit.
kiss?
You know.
Okay, now imagine that I am that guy now. This
Yeah.
me play music.
Okay.
Then you now will not hold my mouth now. I play music.
Jesus.
Sing your music. Oh, you're spoiling the mood.
Are you serious?
Make it professional.
So we should kiss or
Yeah,
what?
now.
Oh my God.
Yes, now.
Where I no go do you, basa basa, baby, trust in me.
No, not be for that side now. No, come out. Come out, come out. You are spoiling this thing now. Oh, yes. You are spoiling the video.
There's one thing you need to know, because even if I kiss someone in a video, it's being professional. There's
Oh,
nothing-
let's professional it here. Play music. Okay, professional. Let's professional. Play music. Give it to me. Oh, yeah, now you go hold my mouth now. I'm at the phone.
Basa basa, baby, trust
Oh, yeah, now kiss me now. You go drag my mouth. Come.
Wait, you have to be sexy about it.
Okay.
It's,
Zagada.
don't fake it, don't fake it.
Okay. Is it between your knees? May I ask you?
That's a blessing.
It's a blessing.
telling you,
Hey,
I'm
high
telling
five.
you.
if you not do music,
Yeah.
what do you for do?
There was no if, you know. There's two things, you know, like I studied fashion design in Milan. So I love fashion. My mom is a fashion designer over here.
Okay.
And, you know, fashion and music is what I always knew I was going to do.
Okay.
I did have side jobs, like I did work with Lufthansa, you know, I did work with other companies, but I knew that was not me. That was just me trying to earn
the
a
bills,
living, trying to pay bills and all that. But in my head, I knew.
You were an artist.
I knew
yeah, you were
that
singing.
I was meant for TV.
You see yourself carrying mic, you shake
Yes,
it. Oh,
yes.
give it up, give it up.
Yes, I saw myself that way, and I saw myself going into fashion, and those are the two things I'm gonna be doing.
Okay, now, two questions.
Yeah.
That's your video. Where you shoot your video?
In Germany,
In Germany. Now for Germany too, they produce your songs.
all my songs.
All
are
of them.
produced in
But
Germany.
you know, all those Germany producers, they feel do like Don Jazzy kind of production.
Hey, of course. Why
But they
not?
not feel Like Don Jazzy now.
No, you can. Come on, you
They
can.
not feel shout it Don Jazzy again. You know, they get something where Don Jazzy.
They're gonna shout their own again. You know, like.
What's it be their own?
They own it. They own
Escape
it.
me a goat again.
Yeah, exactly. Everyone, you know, they've got their style. Again, it's about the artist. Like, who are you? What do you like? I was being very critical with what I want to sound like.
But yes, you did. You just say you did very critical about what you want to sound like. But the truth is, and you come back to Nigeria.
Yes.
To take for promo your music. But you know, say those producers we did there, they don't understand our sound. They don't understand because now producers wait there and they know waiting.
Yeah.
Waiting then go give
They know
to
Nigerian
people.
market.
They know Nigerian market.
Yes.
But me at the feel say now for my own feeling no. Say those ones where they there, don't escape me go to where they there now. Them not know our market. So they don't know the kind of music where they go.
Give.
They can't beat where they go give you, where you go vibe, put on top. But if not done just it now, give me producer.
Mastercraft.
Mastercraft.
DJ
on the-
Kublon.
DJ Kublon.
Yeah.
You know,
Kelly.
bam, they give you SLA Baba on the beat.
Okay. You know,
I'm just saying.
yeah, I get you. I get your point. You know, but the thing is, it's about me as an artist.
Can I wait till you want?
That is what I want. And I know how to, you know, transfer the message to the producer. And by the way, this producer, Benjamin, he is a mixed German who understands. That's why you can hear some dance beat in that song.
inside them.
Yeah, because I told him, this is what I want. This is what I want to sound like. You know, I composed the song myself, and we put hands together, and he was able to produce the kind of beat that I want.
The way you want.
Yes.
Now, another question I go ask you now, be say, you know, say Germany market for music is different from Nigerian market for music. Now, what do you go say? Okay, now these challenges, now this kind of problem, now don't they get on top music waka? You know, since when you begin to do music, either for Germany or for for Germany because now they do most of the time
Yeah.
now. So now, which problem you go say? Okay, now you they face and for there. They're not they disturb. I know whether that's in the worry, whether because of say you be black, they're not going to they give you face there, and they give their own people more face. I've been waiting.
No. Once they find out that you're good, that you're something they want, they respect that. There's no. I don't know. People say stuff, but there's no like racism or whatever. I have not noticed that myself.
Okay.
So, but they've been very supportive. They've been very like, when you need help, people are willing to help you out, you know. So it's right now, my song "Give Me One More Chance." It's number 19 on the German chart. You know,
number 19.
Number 19. So it's what I worked for, and it was promoted over there, and it was quite successful over there.
Now, and you did do shows for Germany.
I have been doing shows. I have one on 3rd of September. You're gonna find that on my website.
Okay. Now, if you they sing, all the time when you they sing for Germany, give me one more. Guys, now they put clots. Oh, give it to me, baby. Then they come meet you for stage.
Give it to me.
When they come put clots for you. Oh, this is my sis part. Oh, baby, rub me. Then they do that kind of thing.
Well, that is, you know, I'm still working on my career. I just started, but so far when
Guys
I go,
never begin, they rub your body like that.
they rub my body.
No, then they rub, maybe then go they scream, oh, CHIOMA. I don't think they call you for
Oh
this.
yeah, CHIOMA. That's my
CHIOMA?
name. Yeah.
But your name not CHIOMA. Iba ngwafa, up on them CHIOMA. CHIOMA mean another thing.
What does it mean?
I don't know.
CHIOMA is
CHIOMA.
CHIOMA.
Yeah, God is good.
Yeah, God is good. Good luck. Yeah, that's what it means.
CHIOMA.
CHIOMA. Yeah.
What is CHIOMA in Germany? What does it mean in Germany? CHIOMA.
CHIOMA. CHIOMA is CHIOMA. Good luck.
No, God is CHIOMA. God is good. CHIOMA, good God.
Good God.
Good God.
And also good luck.
Good luck.
Yeah.
I don't know that one.
Yeah. You find it when you Google.
When I Google them, I go see CHIOMA for Google.
Yeah, my name is on Google. You can find it.
Now, for inside video, for that video,
Yeah.
we see where you pursue that Oyibo boy come out for house.
I did.
Why?
Did I?
You pursue him now.
Watch him. If you watch him.
See him.
Oh. Is that me?
No, not be you, not me.
Oh.
Why you pursue him?
Sorry.
Throw him with him clothes. He not do well.
You know, I'm a no-nonsense woman. And when something goes wrong, I kick you out. That's
Hey! My sister, no one day your video again. You see that your video? Take him. You can stay on your video. Now, may I ask you quickly? Now, which Nigerian? In case you want to do collaboration, they say
Yeah.
okay. Oh yeah, now CHIOMA can do collaboration. Who you go like the collaboration with for Nigeria and outside Nigeria?
Right now, you know, I'm thinking of Pato Rankin. I do love that guy. He's very good.
This is why they say you love Patoranki. You do
I
love
like
that
Pato
guy.
Rankin. He's
Make it not
good.
go past another thing, no.
No, I mean professional wise.
I begin to sing my woman, you begin to talk, say, oh, you're making me fall for you, you're making me fall for you. If you can't see the main person, we sing that one. Eh? My sister, I know why he has told you, not go, because that boy, if you go get belly now.
He can what? Get belly. How can a man get?
All right, quickly, for
Internationally, yeah, I would like. I'm working towards working with a very popular German artist who's Materia. He's known in Europe.
Okay.
In America, you know, there's so many big artists there, but I am hoping to one day work with Drake. Or Rihanna.
Okay.
I love their style of music.
Now,
But
quickly.
I'm working towards that.
For those who want to follow us, you come up for instance, for those who want to follow you on top of your social media handles, your
Yeah.
website, what will be your handles?
So, Chief Abs, I call my fans Chief Abs.
Chief Abs, what do you mean?
Chief Abs, they're my fans, you know, so I gave them a name.
Chief Abs.
Yeah, because not Chief Abs, Chief Abs.
Chief Abs. Yeah, Chief Abs. Oh,
Yeah.
I'm on them.
Those are
Yeah,
my fans, you know, those are people who
So
really want
if
to know
your
more
Chief
about
Abs want
me.
follow on top Instagram,
Yeah.
Twitter, Facebook, website, where then go?
Okay, so you want to follow me on Facebook? It's CHIOMA AKUEZUE. AKUEZUE is AKUEZUE, you know.
Okay.
And on
Instagram,
it's CHIOMA AKUEZUE, no space. And on Twitter, it's CHIOMA Music.
And then for website one?
Our website is www.chioma-music. You call it minus or slash?
Dash music.
Yeah, www.chioma/music.com.
Anyway, double twilight to all of now when they be say don't you guys take watch us on top today. Sorry, say we not take phone calls today because of say we want really talk to CHIOMA because we open phone lines. We not go let her rest. I know some of them go they wonder why she not speak pidgin. Why can she be called answering CHIOMA AKUEZUE and can't speak Igbo? I know so now for call ask her that question. We say no more call for today. But anyway, double twilight to all of now when they be say don't watch today and double twilight to our own entrepreneur babies. Yeah, 60 feet container on the high sea. CHIOMA AKUEZUE aka Escape Me Good.
Escape Me Good.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.